they let a few things slip, this old company. For example, there's a thing called Cyber Essentials certification. And a lot of our clients now are sending us data questionnaires saying, are you, and I sign off all the contracts as well, are you Cyber Essentials certified? Are you a member of ICO? IT is very important nowadays. It's because we're all working remotely and Bluefrog are dealing with charities. What we do is we get all of their donors. So they'll, like Marie Curie will say, or UNHCR, here's all of the people who give to UNHCR, they're donors. So that's all very, very confidential information. So then obviously it's critical that if we're obviously working in a remote environment, which most of us are nowadays, it's critical that this information isn't shared, because now we've got strict policies and processes sharing it on SharePoint. And it's quite easy, to be fair. We started having problems because this prior company we used, probably coming up for about 18 months, they just didn't know anything about Macs. And also they were very corporate. Look, this problem's got a problem with their Mac or something like that. And I'd say, can I speak to our new technical consultant? They were like, oh, well, that's a chargeable day. And that's going to cost you like £900 just to, I said, it's a 10-minute chat, right? They do go the extra yard and they understand the nature of marketing agencies. I'm sure they understand the nature of a lot of other businesses as well, but in particular, marketing is a people business. People don't really want to talk about IT. I don't know if you've ever worked at a lot of agencies and advertising agencies. And to be fair as well, I've had a lot of Mac users in particular. I was a bit concerned. And, you know, there's one particular person, and she's come back and said they actually understand our business. So I think it's that just understanding the people business, and in IT, not everything can be fixed, you know, and they'll be honest, open and honest, and they'll say, look, I'll get back to you. And then they do get back. And even if you can't fix it immediately, I say, are you okay? Because effectively, people will sort of channel stuff through me if there's any problems. And they'll say, no, Paul, actually, they've been really helpful and they've sorted it now. So from that perspective, in terms of marketing agencies and advertising agencies, they are, I think, a perfect fit for Bluefrog and for other marketing agencies. They really are. Their technical knowledge is really good. The challenges, I gave you that one IT challenge, which they overcame. No, I think it's just more the familiarity, and it's also the willingness to help. They are personable, friendly, and they resolve all the issues. So, and they, to be honest, they can do Macs and PCs. There are about 30 people. We're based all over the country. That's it, really. I can't really say much more other than, you know, I would definitely recommend them.